Hello students, let's begin with our new chapter, The Fun They Had, from our book Beehive. The chapter is written by Isaac Asimov. This is a story set in futuristic scenario of around 150 years. In this phase of human development, every activity of education had become dependent on electronic media. There were telebooks, in which the words used to move across the screen. The teachers were mechanical robots, and the school was but an adjacent room in the house, where the student used to sit with the mechanical teacher reading instructions on the screen and giving answers. It was a very boring process as there was no interaction between the teachers and the student. Now the summary part. On the page dated May 17, 2157, Margie writes excitedly in her journal about an amazing discovery. Today, Tommy found a real book. The book is exceptionally old. Margie remembers her grandfather telling her once about how his grandfather used to tell him about a long ago, when stories were printed on paper with ink. Margie and Tommy flip through the book, fascinated by the yellow and crinkly pages. Crinkly means the pages which were folded or they are not in a good condition. The children can't believe that the words don't move like they do on a computer screen. It's especially to Tommy and Margie that when they turn the page they have already read has the same words on it. Tommy believes that the book is a waste and that people must have thrown the books away after reading them. Tommy says to Margie that his television have million books on it and they are good for plenty more. As Margie was 11 years and hasn't seen as many telebooks as 13-year-old Tommy. Margie asks Tommy where he found the book. Tommy says he found the book in the attic in his house. Attic means a place where they used to keep old things. Margie again asks him what the book is about, and Tommy answers, Terresley, school. Terresley means unfriendly or in a rude manner. At first, Margie can't believe or imagine anyone wanting to write a book about school because she hates it so much. Because her mechanical teacher constantly testing her in geography. But Margie just kept doing words and words. Upset by her daughter's performance, Margie's mother finally called for the county inspector, a mechanic who came to fix the mechanical teacher. When he came to fix Margie's mechanical teacher, he smiled pleasantly at Margie and gave her an apple before taking her mechanical teacher apart. At the time, Margie had hoped that the county inspector wouldn't be able to put her mechanical teacher back together again. However, after an hour, Margie was once again faced with her teacher's large, black and ugly screen, where it displays lesson and questions. What Margie hates more than anything is filling out her homework in punch code and having to put her homework and tests into the slot that allows her teacher to grade all her work instantly. When he was done fixing the mechanical teacher, the county inspector smiled at Margie and patted her on the head. Patted means he taps Margie's head gently by his hand and told Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the name of Margie's mother. That wasn't Margie's fault, that she was doing so poorly, and that the geography lessons were geared a little too fast for Margie. So he changed the lessons to a 10-year-old level. He patted Margie's head again before leaving. Margie was extremely disappointed, as she think county inspector would take the teacher away altogether. Margie asked Tommy why anyone would want to write about school. Tommy calls Margie stupid and arrogantly explains that it's a difficult kind of school, the old kind of school that they had hundreds of years ago. Margie's feelings are hurt because she doesn't know about what kind of school existed so long ago. The only thing Margie know about old school is that they also had a teacher. Tommy says, but that it wasn't a regular teacher, but a man. We will continue the chapter in our next part. Thank you.